Pagani Huayra 2012. The Pagani Huayra, Italian pronunciation, is a mid-engine sports car produced by Italian sports car manufacturer Pagani, succeeding the company's previous offering, the Zonda. It is named after Huayra Tata, a Quechua wind god. The Huayra was named the Hypercar of the year 2012 inches by Top Gear magazine. On February 11, 2015, it was reported that the Pagani Huayra has been sold out. The Huayra was limited to just 100 units as part of Pagani's agreement with engine supplier Mercedes-AMG. The Pagani Huayra was officially debuted online with several pictures in a press release on January 25, 2011. The official world debut was at the headquarters of Pirelli in Milan in February 2011. The Huayra has a top speed of about 383 km per hour, 238 miles per hour, and it has a 0 to 97 km per hour, 60 miles per hour, acceleration time of 2.8 seconds. Using Pirelli tires, the Pagani Huayra is capable of withstanding 1.66 grams of lateral acceleration. The Pagani Huayra uses a 7-speed sequential gearbox and a single-disc clutch. The choice not to use a dual clutch was due to the increase in weight of over 70 kilograms, 154 pounds, thus negating any advantage of the faster gear changes in a double clutch transmission. As a result, the transmission weighs 96 kilograms, 212 pounds. The car is equipped with Brembo brake calipers, rotors and pads. The calipers have 4 pistons in front and 4 in the rear. The rotors are drilled carbon ceramic, 380 mm, 15.0 in diameter and 34 mm, 1.3 in thick. The Huayra uses a 6.0 liters, 5,980 cc, twin-turbocharged M158 60° V12 engine developed by Mercedes-AMG specially for the Huayra, which has a power output of 730 PS, 537 kilowatts, 720 horsepower, at 5,800 revolutions per minute and 1,000 Nm, 738 lb-ft, of torque at 2,250 to 4,500 revolutions per minute. The engine has been designed at the request of Pagani to reduce turbo lag and improve response, achieved with smaller turbochargers, a different intercooler configuration and reprogrammed EQ settings. Like many high-performance cars, the Huayra uses dry sump lubrication. This has several key benefits including guaranteeing oil flow even when the car is subjected to extreme lateral acceleration, preventing oil surge which allows the engine to operate more efficiently while the lack of an oil pan allows mounting the engine lower, lowering the car's center of gravity and improving handling. The fuel consumption of the Huayra is 10 miles per gallon US, 23.5 liters/100 kilometers, 12.0 miles per gallon EMP, in city and 14 miles per gallon US, 16.8 liters/100 kilometers, 16.8 miles per gallon EMP, in highway, EPA testing. A water, oil heat exchanger reduces engine warm-up times on cold days and helps maintain a stable temperature for refrigerants and lubricants. To minimize the use of pipes and fittings, and the overall weight of the vehicle, the expansion tank is mounted directly on the engine. Intercooler fins act as an expansion tank circuit at low temperatures. The titanium exhaust system was designed and built by MHG Fahrzeugtechnik. Hydroformed joints were developed to reduce back pressure and ensure free-flow exhaust. Titanium reduces the weight of the exhaust system while the internal silencers improve reliability in the most exposed parts of the exhaust at high temperatures. The entire system weighs less than 10 kilograms, 22 pounds. The Pagani Huayra is different from its predecessor in that it incorporates active aerodynamics. It is capable of changing the height of the front from the ground and independently operating 4 flaps placed at the rear and front of the car. The behavior of the flaps is managed by a dedicated control unit that is fed information from systems such as the ABS and EQ, which pass on information about the car's speed, yaw rate, lateral acceleration, steering angle and throttle position. This is intended to achieve minimal drag coefficient or maximum downforce depending on the situation. The Huayra's designer Horacio Pagani states that it has a variable drag coefficient of between 0.31 and 0.37. The system also prevents excess body roll in the corners by raising the inside flaps, that is the left ones in a left-handed corner and vice versa, increasing the downforce on that side of the car. The rear flaps also act as an air brake. Under hard braking, both the front suspension and the two rear flaps are raised to counteract weight transfer to the front wheels and keep the whole car stable, for instance when entering a corner. Air from the radiator is extracted through an arch in the bonnet at an angle that is designed not to affect the streamline around the body. The side air intakes behind the front wheels create a low pressure zone, resulting in downforce.